Start by opening up the Splice app. Create a new project and select all the photos that you want for your video. You will need 77 in total. If you have any in landscape mode, crop them first in the Photos app and make them vertical. Then select the aspect ratio for TikTok. And name your project. You won't need any music for this on the Splice app itself because you'll use one on TikTok. And from here, make every clip 0.2 seconds. Drag the arrow until it's 0.2 seconds and do that for every clip. Once you've cropped every photo to 0.2 seconds, export it, save it as a full HD. Now it's saved to your camera roll. Open up the TikTok app and upload a video that you want for the very beginning and then the one you just created, which will be about 16 seconds. The first clip needs to be 7 seconds long, so you can change it to a default rather than auto syncing with the sound. Select it to be 7 seconds long. And the other one is good as is, and then add your sound. The sound I'm using is, I found it on a summer recap. You can get the sound directly from my TikTok. Then hit next. Once you're complete, if everything looks good, click next, select your thumbnail, and post.